All right. For the sequence 9, 14, 19, 24, using the explicit formula to find the seventh term. So there's two ways you can do this, all right? The seventh term is just the seventh number in the lineup. If you figure out the pattern, you can just keep adding until you get to the seventh term. That's one way, so let's do that first. All right, we got 9, 14, 19, 24. What is the pattern? How am I getting from one number to the next? Looks like I'm adding 5 every time, adding 5, adding 5. All right, so if I keep doing that, I have 4 terms right now. So let's see, the fifth term, 6th, and 7th. What would be the fifth term? If I add 5 to 24, that's 29. If I add 5 to that, that's 34. And if I add 5 to that, that's 39. So the seventh term is 39, which is D. Okay, oops. Right? But, okay, let's talk about if this was bigger, if this was like the 30th term or something like that. You don't want to keep adding 5 30 times. So we're going to use the explicit formula. And for the explicit formula, we need the first term and the common difference. All right, so the first term we know already is 9. That's the first number in the list. And then the common difference, we call that D for difference, is 5. All right, so we're going to plug those things in to this formula here, all right, and simplify it. So let's do it. All right, A sub n equals the first term plus 5, the common difference, times n minus 1. Okay, we plugged everything in. All we're going to do is simplify it now. So distribute. So that's 5n minus 5. Bring down the 9 there. So I'm going to combine like terms, 9 and negative 5. That becomes positive 4. So 5n plus 4. So this is the explicit formula, right? But then if I want the 20th term, I can just plug in 20. If I want the 7th term, like we do in this case, I just plug in 7. Okay, so 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4 is 39. Okay.